he goes. I like when he looks up at us like that. Woo, he's itchy. Ding, ding, ding. I guess that we're going to give him a bath. You want to give him a bath? Hey, Sabrina?
Pardon?
You want to give him a bath?
Yeah.
With oatmeal and food.
Yeah, us too. We have oatmeal.